Take namaskar. Did you practice?
Yes.
Remember? Very nice. अभी second में ये जो which we will do, it will be in this position. Full Mayadau, your hands will remain in this position only. Huh? And this will be from your waist movement. You will turn from the upper body. Huh? Your feet position will be in Aramandi. Yes. Hands will be up, you will be in Aramandi and you will turn from the upper body. This is the basic structure of this second Mayadava. Huh? The first step you will do in Pratyagidha. It is Tanom Ta. You look fully to the side. Natta Dira and join in Sthanaka and then Attami.
I should go to the right.
Pratyagidha will be to the right side. Tanom Tanatta. Turn fully from the torso and go to the right side. Natta Dira Na. Yes. Now you are turning more. You should be in 45 degrees. Still here. Yes. This much only is allowed. Okay. This will be first speed. First right side, then left side. Right side means whichever side you are doing Pratyagidha, that is right side. So accordingly that will be right side, this will be left side. 1, 2, hands will be up little bit more. 1, 2. Tanno Tanatta Dira Na.
Now I should join.
Na you should join in Sthanaka. Tanom Ta Natta Dira Na. Na should be joining. 1, 2. Tanom Tanatta Dira Na. Sthanaka more. Now Ta Ni Tom Ta Attami. Ta Ni Tom Ta and Dira Na you will do dit type and you will come in front. Leg behind dit type. Yes. Same hand. Hand will not move at all. Full Mayadavu we will do with this hand only. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanno Tanatta Dira Na. Nadir Ta Ni Tom Ta Dira Na. Nadir. Now the same thing left side we will do. Start. Tanno Tanatta Dira Na. Nadir. You will not lose your balance. Okay. Start. Tannom Tanatta Dira Na. Nadir Ta Ni Tom Ta Dira. This dit your look will go behind to your shoulder. It's dit type. Shoulder to front with some side bend. Right also. Do right and left both. 1, 2. Tannom Tanatta Dira Na. Nadir Ta Ni Tom Ta Dira Na. Nadir Tannom Tanatta Dira Na. Nadir Ta Ni Tom Ta Dira Na. More side bending. Yes. When we say it a Mayadavu, it should look that your body movement is more flexible. Huh? This will be first speed. Right and left will be your first speed. Now we will move on to second speed. Second speed you will do diagonal to front diagonal to back diagonal. 45. Huh? Try. First go behind. Same step. Yes.
This is second way.
Yes. No. What you have to do now?
Right diagonal.
Yes. You do? I'll tell you. natta dira na. Yes, correct. Because when the pratyagida is here, you will be back only. And the tai you turn and come in front. Tannom tanatta dira na. Second speed you are doing. Yes. So tannom tanatta dira tai you will be in front again. Tannom tanatta dira tai. Left. Ni tom tai. Understood? Same way you will do 2 diagonal in front. Do. First you do back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Nadir. Right diagonal. Tannom tanatta dira tai. Right. Yes. Ni tom ta tai. For the front two, you will turn more diagonally. Joining. Tak. More. Yes. And then come the tai in front. Okay. 1, 2. Yes. Again from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Nadir tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Understood? 4 times we did second speed. Okay. Now we will move on to third speed. Third speed, instead of this turning, we will go with tai. So tannom tanatta dira na. You will do 1 tai in front, 1 tai from back. Front tai will be with side bending, and tai the same movement what we did just now. Just do the legs first. 1 diagonal. Yes, you should be diagonal. 1, 2. Tannom tanatta dira natta. This tai will be in front again. Tai. But for that, tai should be bending up and down both. I want. Tai more. Yes. And then the opposite leg will be tai in front. Not the right one. 1, 2. Tannom tanatta dira. Understood? You are getting left. 1, 2. Tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Nadir. This once we finished. Next you have to do with the same leg, tai 2 times with right only. You come, just now you came in front doing this. You did tai. Doing this you came in front. Now you have to do tannom tanatta dira. You have to go back with the same leg. Takkadimmi takkadim. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, you do second step, then we will do again both. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannom tanatta dira. Dira na should be in front. Every time dira na should be in front. Tannom tanatta dira. 1, 2. Tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Nadir. Understood? Again. Third speed. And all the time keep your hands up. Third speed, it starts with front and opposite leg. 1, 2. Tannom tanatta dira na. Nadir ta ni tom ta dira na. Nadir tannom tanatta dira na. Keep Understood?
I will write.
Ha. Now, afterwards you have to do.
Can I revise from
Yes, sure. First speed. Here I want your pratyagida more. Feet should be out. Yes. Correct. This is pratyagida. It should be clear. Okay. Start. Tannom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana. Second speed.
that day?
4 diagonals. 1, 2. Tannom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanom tanata dirana nadir. Side bending more. Om ta dirana nadirtanom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadir. Understood? Hands are paining. Next is diditai 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 diditai. Tannom tanata dirana. One diditai from front, one diditai from back. Diditai 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 diditai. Again 2 bits karavai is there. Diditai diditai takka diditai diditai takka diditai diditai takka. Now it's with 2 separate legs. Takka. Okay. Then tai diditai, and it ends with tirmanam. Diditai diditai, hands will be up only. Only last diditai diditai you will take your hands down, join it and add the tirmanam down to it. 1, 2. Tai diditai, tai diditai, tai tai. Again karavai of 2 bits. Tai diditai, tai tai diditai, tai 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 diditai. Kirtak dar kirtom, tak kirtak dar kirtom, tak adik kirtak dar kirtom. 1, yes. 1, 2. Tannom tanata dirana nitom ta dirana nadir. Understood? Now do the full thing without mistake. Revise it once again properly and do the full thing.
Second speed directly exercise.
Yes, back. Back. This third speed, first 4 you have to come in front with the opposite feet.
Right leg and then left leg.
Yes. These 4 you will come in front, next 4 you will go back. It should be seen very clearly.
Then diditai diditai.
Yes. Okay, we'll do from the beginning. Full second mayadam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tannom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanom tanata dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanom tanat dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanu tanat dirana nadirta nitom ta dirana nadirtanu tanat dirana. Come in front for this. Nitom ta dirana nadir back. Side bending. Nitom ta dirana nadirtanu tanat dirana. You understood the second Mayadav? Still we have left teaching you the going back pattern of it, which we did for the first Mayadav, this takkadhimmi takkadhimmi. Like that, there is also one more pattern with the same hands. So I haven't taught you, but you have to practice all this properly with looks, with your side bendings. Do you have idea of the structure of Tilana? Tilana's two types of compositions, a musical composition of Tilana and dance composition of Tilana. Do you have any idea about it?
I think only Mayadav. It starts with Mayadav.
That I taught you yesterday.
Yeah.
So you know that.
Then Korvai.
Korvais, yes.
And then Periyadavu.
Yes. What is Periyadavu? Periya. The word Periya is to cover the space. So Periyadavu, you cover the whole stage. That is Periyadavu. Then what comes? Then comes Anupallavi. This till the Periyadavu, we do it on the line of Pallavi. Pallavi is the first line. Tannum tannatta dirana, that is Pallavi. Where the song changes, it comes in Anupallavi.
After Periyadavu.
After Periyadavu comes Anupallavi. Then comes Sahityam of the Tilana. In any Tilana, we have Abhinaya piece. We have the stuti of some god or king. It is in praise of some god or king. Two lines of Sahitya comes, and then in the end of Tilana there is a Charanam, or we can say Charana Swara. It's a combination of Swar and Sholas.
That's why
Charana Swara. Okay? So we have learned up to Mayadavu. Okay, another thing, now as we are learning Korvai. What is Korvai of Tilana?
The set of adavus
Huh?
and ending with Tirmana.
Set of adavus ending with Tirmanam. That the same definition is applicable to Jatiswaram. See, yesterday only I told you that for MA we will learn Tilana's Korvais in a different way. Different way means we will learn it in different jatis. Pancha jatis, yes. Tishram, Chatushram, Khandam, Mishram and Sankirnam. These are the Pancha jatis. You know their bits, units. Just tell me.
Vishram is 3 units, Chatushram 4, Khandam is 5, Mishram is 7, and
Sankirna is
9 units.
9 bits. Okay. So each Korvai we are setting in one particular jati. The line song goes the same. Tannum tannatta dirana nadeta nitom ta dirana. In this line, basically it goes in Chatushram. Takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. But now what I will do, I will set the adavus in Tishra jati. song goes in Chatushram. And in calculation, it comes in that cycle. The Tishram goes on. If I say 4 lines of Tanom Tanata Dirana, the one line is of 32 units. 1 avartanam is 32 units because Adital is 8 bits. Each bit has 4 units. Takkadhimmi, takkadhimmi. So 1 avartan of Adital is 32 units. If like that, if I will take 4 lines, 4 avartanams of Pallavi, how many units will be there? 128. It is 32 into 4, that is 128. So I have to calculate my Tishram in that 128. Yes, how many Tishram will fit into that? That Tishram also will be in first speed, second speed, third speed. It's all mathematical calculation, and it will end with the Tihai or Tirmanam in Tishram only. So that is this is the way how we do Korvais in Tilyana in Panchajati. This way all 5 will be counted and set in different jatis. Understood? Okay. So we will first now finish our Mai Adavu ending. So it's Tai Didi Tai, Tai Tai Didi Tai, Tai 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 Didi Tai. Here we ended yesterday. So again, Tannom Tanata Dira. From down, you will just take your hands up. Tannom Tanata Dira. Okay. Now you have done Takkadhimmi, Takkadhimmi in your first Mai Adavu. Here we are doing it in second column. Takkadhimmi, Takkadhimmi. But not Takkadhimmi. We will stress on the second bit. Takkadhimmi, Takkadhimmi. Off beat. It is called, you don't know, it is called Ushi. So this is Ushi. You are going back, pattern will be Ushi. So Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadita Nitom Dirana Nadir. Correct. But before Tai Didi Tai, again you will leave one bit and then Tai Didi Tai. Understood? Now for this you have to do neck movement also. Tannom Tanata Dira. First bit will be in front, second look will be to the side, to your shoulder. Understood? So Takkadhimmi, 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 Takkadhimmi. This way you will go back, you will end with Tai Didi Tai. Try. Tannom Tanata Dirana Nadita Nitom Dirana Nadir. Tannom Tanata Dira Nadirta Nitom Dirana. Okay, this is the end of your second Mai Adavu. Take Namaskar and go. Forgot. Okay.